Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Al Hassan. Today I will talk about something. Dream big, but start small. Small steps gradually achieve big goals. Big dreams give you motivation. Small tasks teach you consistency. Don't try to do everything at once. Patience and a small start bring big changes. Small successes increase confidence. Set small goals to move towards your big dream. Today's small step is tomorrow's big result. So keep your dreams big, but start small. So that's all, friends. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thank you.